Vicky in Newcastle, good evening.
Hello, I'm just ringing on behalf of my daughter. Basically, she's given her 28 days notice, which she says in her contract that she's required to do, that she's planning to leave. Her employer has, the following week, sent her a text message and told her that she doesn't need to come into work anymore because he's found someone to replace her and is not planning on paying her. So she's about £900 out of pocket now, and she's just wondering if there's anything she can do.
OK, I've got two questions which will give me the information to give you an answer, Vicky. Number one, what's the notice period that her employer has to give her? Is it also 28 days?
Yes, it says in her contract that it works both ways. OK,
and second of all, is she on a normal contract or a 0 hours contract?
She's on a normal salaried contract with a set number of hours.
Fine. In which case, there is not a shadow of doubt she's entitled to the balance of the 3 weeks' notice, or the 3 weeks balance of the 4 weeks' notice. And if her employer refuses to pay it to her, it will be an absolute slam dunk case for her in either the small claims court or the employment tribunal.
Right.
Either of them is going to take about 6 to 12 months to get from start to end, unless, if she sues, they just say, fine, OK, we'll pay it, which is what I suspect will actually happen, Vicky.
Yeah, she's only a 19-year-old, and she's going to go to the Citizens' Advice on Monday to sort of try and get some help to work out what to do. But she's just a bit like, well, am I entitled to the money? Am I not? And
100%, Vicky, I promise you. And you're a great mum for looking out for her.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the advice.
This isn't grey. This is absolutely black and white. She's entitled to that money. And if she goes to court, not only will she win, she probably won't have to go to court, because the moment someone sensible looks at the file for the employer, the employer will be told, you're bang to rights here, you've got to pay it, you don't have a choice.